Welcome to a journey through the world's most prestigious vineyards. Today, we're exploring the top vineyards renowned for their exceptional wines and rich histories. From the rolling hills of Bordeaux to the sun-drenched landscapes of Napa Valley, get ready to uncover what makes these estates truly remarkable. Grab a glass and let's dive into the finest wine regions across the globe. 1. Chateau Margaux, Bordeaux, France. Chateau Margaux is renowned for producing some of the most exquisite wines in the world. Located in the Matic region of Bordeaux, it stands as a symbol of elegance and sophistication. This vineyard boasts a rich history, with its origins tracing back to the 16th century. The estate's grand architecture complements its prestigious wines, which are celebrated for their depth and complexity. Margaux's terroir, characterized by gravelly soils, imparts a unique character to its wines. The estate's commitment to traditional winemaking methods ensures a product of unparalleled quality. Chateau Margaux is often associated with luxury and exclusivity in the world of wine. 2. Domaine de la Romanée-Conti, Burgundy, France. Domaine de la Romanée-Conti, often abbreviated as Democratic Republic of the Congo, is a legendary name in Burgundy. The estate is famed for producing some of the finest Pinot Noir wines globally. The vineyard is located in the Côte de Nuits region, known for its exceptional terroir. Romanée-Conti's wines are characterized by their intense flavors and remarkable aging potential. The estate has a rich heritage dating back to the 13th century and is synonymous with luxury. Each bottle of Democratic Republic of the Congo is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and quality. The vineyard's small production volume adds to its exclusivity. 3. Antinori, Tuscany, Italy. Antinori is one of Italy's oldest and most prestigious wine producers, with a history spanning over 6 centuries. Located in the heart of Tuscany, the estate is renowned for its high-quality Chianti and Super Tuscan wines. The family's commitment to innovation and tradition has shaped its success. Antinori's vineyards benefit from Tuscany's diverse climate, which enhances the complexity of its wines. The estate combines modern winemaking techniques with time-honored practices. Its flagship wines, such as Tignanello, are celebrated for their elegance and depth. Antinori's contributions have influenced the global wine industry significantly. 4. Opus One, Napa Valley, USA. Opus One is a prestigious winery located in Napa Valley, California, known for its exceptional Bordeaux-style blends. Established as a joint venture between Robert Mondavi and Baron Philippe de Rothschild, it represents a fusion of French and American winemaking traditions. The vineyard benefits from Napa Valley's ideal climate for growing high-quality grapes. Opus One's wines are characterized by their richness, complexity, and balance. The estate focuses on meticulous vineyard management and winemaking techniques. Each vintage of Opus One is crafted with precision to ensure consistency and excellence. The winery's elegant architecture and serene setting enhance its prestigious reputation. 5. Penfolds, South Australia. Penfolds is an historic and influential winery located in South Australia, renowned for its iconic wines like Grange. The estate has a rich heritage dating back to 1844, reflecting its long-standing commitment to quality. Penfolds benefits from diverse vineyards across South Australia, each contributing unique characteristics to its wines. The winery is known for its innovation in blending and winemaking techniques. Penfolds' flagship wines are celebrated for their bold flavors and aging potential. The estate's dedication to consistency and excellence has earned it a prestigious reputation. Penfolds' wines are highly sought after and often feature in auctions and collections. 6. Veta Sicilia, Ribera del Duero, Spain. Veta Sicilia is one of Spain's most esteemed wineries, located in the Ribera del Duero region. Founded in 1864, the estate is famous for its complex and age-worthy wines, particularly its flagship Unico. The vineyard benefits from a unique terroir with a continental climate that influences the wine's character. Veta Sicilia's commitment to traditional winemaking methods and quality is evident in every bottle. The estate's rich history and dedication to excellence have established its prestigious reputation. Veta Sicilia's wines are characterized by their depth, balance, and aging potential. The estate's limited production and meticulous attention to detail contribute to its exclusivity. 7. Chateau d'Yquem, Bordeaux, France. Chateau d'Yquem is world-renowned for producing exceptional sauternes, a luxurious sweet wine from the Bordeaux region. The estate's history dates back to the 16th century, and its wines are celebrated for their complexity and aging potential. Chateau d'Yquem's unique microclimate and soil conditions contribute to the exceptional quality of its wines. The estate employs meticulous methods to produce its highly sought-after sweet wines, which are known for their rich honey flavors. Each vintage of Chateau d'Yquem is crafted with precision and care, resulting in wines of unparalleled elegance. The estate's commitment to excellence has earned it a revered status in the world of wine. Its wines are often collected and cherished for their rarity and quality. 8. Cloudy Bay, Marlborough, New Zealand. Cloudy Bay is a pioneering winery located in the Marlborough region of New Zealand, known for its outstanding Sauvignon Blanc. Established in 1985, it has played a significant role in putting New Zealand on the global wine map. The winery benefits from Marlborough's cool climate and unique terroir, which enhance the freshness and vibrancy of its wines. Cloudy Bay's Sauvignon Blanc is celebrated for its expressive flavors and aromatic complexity. The estate also produces high-quality Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, showcasing a diverse portfolio. Cloudy Bay's commitment to innovation and quality has established its reputation. Its wines are highly regarded by critics and wine enthusiasts. 9. Bodegas Muga, Rioja, Spain. Bodegas Muga is a prominent winery in the Rioja region of Spain, renowned for its traditional Rioja wines. Established in 1932, the estate combines time-honored winemaking techniques with modern innovations. Muga's vineyards are situated in a region known for its ideal conditions for growing Tempranillo grapes. The winery's wines are characterized by their depth, structure, and aging potential. Bodegas Muga employs traditional methods, including fermentation in oak vats, to enhance the complexity of its wines. The estate's commitment to quality and craftsmanship is evident in every bottle. Muga's wines are highly regarded for their balance and expression of terroir. The estate's rich history and dedication to excellence have established its esteemed reputation. 10. Marchesi di Barolo, Piedmont, Italy. Marchesi di Barolo is a historic winery located in the Barolo region of Piedmont, Italy, renowned for its exceptional Barolo wines. The estate's roots date back to the 19th century, and it has been a significant player in the development of Barolo wine. The winery's vineyards benefit from the region's unique terroir, which imparts distinctive characteristics to its wines. Marchesi di Barolo's wines are celebrated for their complexity, depth, and aging potential. The estate's commitment to preserving traditional winemaking methods ensures a product of high quality. Each vintage of Marchesi di Barolo reflects the essence of the Barolo region. The winery's wines are highly prized by collectors and enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the world's best vineyards. We hope you enjoyed discovering these iconic estates and their legendary wines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content about the world of wine. Until next time, cheers to new adventures and unforgettable sips.